What's that? What? What is that? L M O P Q R.
Oh, do it. You're just doing lines now, silly.
S. What about S? Did you mess up on your Q? Do your Q again. Right there. Do your Q right there. Yeah? What's after Q? Let me see that. Now you get the cap. Get the cap. I don't want you writing on the floor. Okay. There you go. Okay. Now do your writing. Now do S. Good S. That's a really good S. R W X. Do your X. Good job.